Hello everyone, this is Steve with the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is August 24th. Now I'm doing a review and outlook price analysis video for the dollar. This is the dollar's 4-hour chart. And in last week's video, I showed you these two negative patterns in the dollar's price chart. The first is, well, they're both rising wedges. One's very large and the other one's small that was just created a week before last. And really what the dollar did was mostly move sideways last week until Friday when all the fireworks happened with Jerome Powell's speech, where the market interpreted what he said as that they're going to be more accommodative, and we are likely going to see another rate cut at their next meeting on September 17th and 18th. But again, that's not until September 17th and 18th. That's another 3 weeks away. So the other reason is because the trade war, of course, it still seems to be escalating, and that just helped the dollar just drop like a stone, and it confirmed both patterns as it did that. So that takes care of the review of last week's video and technical analysis. Really what I am showing for this week to come, and probably for a few more weeks, to be completely honest with you, is a descending channel. The dollar seems to have found itself sliding down inside a descending channel. Now it's not like falling like a stone like it is right here in one, but it doesn't look pretty for its future though either. The dollar, clearly we have accommodative Fed, as well as the trade war isn't helping anything out. So it really doesn't look like there's any reason to be investing in the dollar anytime soon as far as that goes. Plus we got rising debt and other reasons, and just the economy kind of seems to be slowing down a little bit. However, as far as next week goes, we have a GDP revision. So if it comes up above forecast of 1.8%, should help the dollar, as well as consumer spending, what drives our economy. Basically, that report, July's report, will be coming out on next Friday. So, or this coming Friday, excuse me. So that will also give us some direction in what the dollar is going to do. But again, it's right now in a descending channel. There is no other patterns that I can find for the dollar at this time. And just to show you the dollar's opposite, which is gold. Gold is in an ascending channel. It's moving up. It's been inside this pattern now for a couple of weeks, and I'm really not sure how much longer it'll be in it, but really nothing's holding gold down and nothing's holding the dollar up. So we'll really have to see what happens and try to keep our eyes peeled on the news to try to get an idea as to which way the dollar will move. But right now, this is the only pattern in the price chart for the dollar, and that's its outlook for it to move down inside of the pattern. It could clearly bounce back up after it reaches oversold territory. It's in oversold territory in the RSI. It is slightly below oversold territory in the MACD, but we may see a change in direction here shortly. Also, the daily chart, I just wanted to show you the daily chart real quick. There's really no difference. You can't find I can't find a pattern in the daily chart either. I could find some very big, large, bad ones, but really the descending channel says it all. So it will see support at 96.60, and it has fallen through these other areas of support, which now makes them resistance, and it should also find support at 95.75. So we'll see what happens next week, and that's it for this week's review and outlook. I thank you for your time. Take care, and God bless.